Do you know what's inside pasta? Oh, what's this? If you talk to athletes and ask them about their nutrition plan, you will hear many different answers. But if you ask dancers, you'll mostly see wondering faces. Why? Is it a secret? No, it's because most of them don't even have one. The key to your success doesn't lie only in your training, but with what you choose to eat. With food and an understanding of nutrition, you can maximize your performance. In this Dance Masterclass, I will teach you the science of nutrition in an easy way so that you will have a strategic plan to optimize your food routine. We will focus on the key elements of food for dancers so that by the end of this class, you will know what really matters. You have the power to use food to become a better dancer.